Now I would like to talk about the grid colors. So the grid, as you can see, it's boring, disgusting, and pale, kind of gray by default. To spice it up and make it a lot less boring, you need to go into the display, go to the option box of the grid, and then you can change the colors here to what you like. My preference is going with this color palette. And as you can see now, it is a lot more appetizing. And of course you want to combine this with the feature of changing the background color, and that's going to be Alt B, B as in background. So you can see this is ideal for night mode, or if you want to change it to different colors, if you're working with rigging or other forms, or maybe certain colors you want to avoid seeing and all this. So always consider having that combination of changing the grid colors and also the background colors.